So today I have some exciting news that I wanted to share with you guys. As you may or may not know, Globalstar, the satellite provider, has been Apple's partner on their satellite SOS feature ever since the iPhone 14, providing iPhone users with essential satellite communication when you're in a remote location, enabling users to message, use Find My for location tracking, roadside assistance, and of course, emergency SOS calling for emergency again when you're in a remote location with no service. And it looks like Apple will soon be adding even more services to the list that will breach the gap on iPhone in order to stay connected even when you're in a remote location on iPhone. Now, today Amazon has made a major announcement acquiring Globalstar. This will enable Amazon Leo's, their satellite service, to add direct-to-device services to its low Earth orbit satellite networks to extend coverage to customers beyond terrestrial networks. Now, in addition, and this is where it gets very important, Amazon and Apple has announced an agreement for Amazon Leo to power satellite services for iPhone and Apple Watch, including the current emergency SOS via satellite features on the iPhone. Now, this is major news. As you know, Apple is steadily working on adding new capabilities to its satellite services on iPhone, and there's about 4 new capabilities that could be coming to the iPhone as early as next year, including Apple Maps via satellite. Obviously, this will be extremely important in a situation where you're lost in a remote location. You'll be able to find your way around. Also, photos within messages. As of right now, you can only send messages via messages in satellite SOS feature. Adding the ability to send photos could also be very useful for emergency situations. We also have rumors that Apple is working on natural use of satellite connectivity. So right now, you would have to go outside and be able to have a clear view of the sky in order to connect to satellite. It looks like Apple could be working on natural use. So if there's trees or you're indoors or underground, you'll still be able to connect to satellite. And last but not least, 5G over satellite could also be a possibility and a new feature that could be coming out of this merger in future iOS updates for the iPhones. Now, Amazon could close this deal as early as late 2027. We'll have to wait and see how long this will take in order to the merger to completely take effect. Obviously, this could be some of the features that could be coming to the iPhone with future software updates as this new satellite capabilities continue to grow and this merger slash partnership continues to evolve. Let me know what you think about this in those comments down below. It feels like in the future, we won't even need a specific carrier to stay connected, which I'm all for. Let me know in those comments down below. What do you think about this? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.